Hi, my name is Tula Masterman, and I'm here today to talk to you about Dall-e 3. Dall-e 3 is super exciting and part of the new wave of generative AI tools specifically for image generation. We used to look at tools like Dall-e 2, we'd look at other generative AI models, and those were super exciting, but today we're going to focus on Dall-e 3, some of the key benefits it has, and then some of the fun prompts that we've just gotten to use over the last few days. So looking at Dall-e 3, it's pretty unique because compared to other models where you actually couldn't get any text to really show up in the image, with Dall-e 3 we found there's a lot of ways you can get your text to show up directly in the image that you're trying to create. So for example, the team that I'm working on right now is for Neudesic Media Labs. So let's go to Dall-e 3 and say, hey, can you create a logo for Media Labs? Let's look and see what it can do. All right, I'm giving Dall-e 3 this prompt. I said, imagine Media Labs, embedded in a design that blends the timeless charm of old film reels with the modern, sleek elegance of digital technology. Media Lab should carry a retro, futuristic vibe where the past's cinematic simplicity meets tomorrow's tech frontier, embodying our mission to foster digital curiosity and innovation. Sounds pretty good, right? Let's see what Dall-e 3 can do. Wow, would you look at that? Using the Bing image creator within Bing Chat, it actually created a very solid logo. I can see there's got some of the cinematic pieces in the background. It actually says Media Labs, and it looks pretty futuristic too. So I'd say A+ to Dall-e 3 for that image. I wonder what else we can create with it. We've had a lot of clients who are actually interested in building design, product design, things like that, where having inspiration from tools like Dall-e 3 could be super helpful for their jobs. So let's give it another prompt and see what it would do for building design. If I say, create an architectural design of a skyscraper with IoT technology integrated on every floor, and the building should have a warm, welcoming feeling to it. Let's take a look. All right, those look pretty good to me too. We see that the buildings are all pretty futuristic, but they also have warm tones to them. I'd say I'm not a designer, but these are pretty inspiring and give you a good range of different choices you could make when you're trying to design a building. You can see how easy it is to have a tool like this integrated into your workflow just to help you when you get stuck in a rut, you're looking for inspiration, or for something to kind of give you that next, push into a design breakthrough. This is something that could be super, super valuable to bring to your clients just to use for your own sake. And with that, I'll transition to something that's just a little bit fun. Another image that I could create is, let's see if it can make a cartoon image of me. I went to UCLA for undergrad, so let's see how well it does with getting a UCLA t-shirt in there. All right, I'm gonna tell it, create a cartoon image of a girl with brown hair and freckles, wearing a blue UCLA shirt and hugging a German Shepherd. Those are my favorite dogs. Comes back, success again. It got the UCLA in there, gave me a couple different examples, German Shepherds included. I'm pretty happy. Maybe it'll be my new LinkedIn profile. Probably not. But as you can see, Dall-e 3 is really good at doing a variety of tasks, whether it's something to help you get inspired, something to use for fun, maybe even something to use in the PowerPoints that you're making. I've done a bunch of work with this over the last few days trying to spruce up my PowerPoints, and honestly, Dall-e 3 does not disappoint. I highly encourage you to go check it out, share the designs that you make with us, and keep us posted on your adventures with generative AI.